your kids will love this Model Magic Clay. It is so fun to play with, completely non-toxic, and when you're finished, you can paint it and do whatever you want. So let me show you. We'll open this up. What I love is I can get this in multi-packs, and each individual pack is just the right size for one kid. I find that this is actually a lot right here, and this is 1 ounce. So the clay itself is very fun. It's very squishy, it's moldable, you can take it apart, you can put it back together, you can do whatever you want with it. It feels really good in my hands. I can just play with this for hours just as something to squish and play with like this, or I could make it into something. Like I could take little pieces and make balls, make little snowmen, make whatever you want, houses. It's also very light, and you can squish it down onto surfaces and it will stay wherever you put it. Very, very fun just to play with on its own, and it doesn't damage anything. You can play with this anywhere. It doesn't leave any residue on your hands or on any surfaces. Once you're finished with it, just let it sit out and it will dry until it ends up being something hard, like this. Here is a pumpkin my daughter made for Halloween, and now it is completely hard. And once it is hard, you can color it. You can color it with markers like she did here, or you could paint it. And so you can really have a lot of fun with these and do whatever you want, really take it to another level. So here are some little pumpkins she made using this clay. This is a very simple example, but she spent hours playing with it until she ended up making these little pumpkins. And then these have been sitting in her room as a decoration for months because she loves them so much. And I love how easy this is and how fun it is for my kids, what it can create, and that at the end, it just can be easily disposed. That is the Crayola Model Magic. Fantastic modeling clay.